Since we have understood the concepts of the types of monitoring and the components of what to monitor, let us focus on understanding what the theory of systemic change means. The theory of systemic change refers to the comprehensive approach of transforming social systems, organizations, or communities to create long-term sustainable changes. This theory underscores the notion that any noticeable shift in a given system arises from interconnected and dynamic forces that interact with each other in a complex and intersecting manner. The concept of systemic change has emerged to fill gaps in traditional M&E frameworks. The process involves the identification of the root causes of problems, followed by the design and implementation of interventions that target the entire system, rather than just individual components. The inwards-out process monitors the program performance by acknowledging the internal change that must occur before the external change can be sustained. This contributes to the program's success or failure. This involves looking inward and reflecting on the design, implementation, and outcomes of a system in order to assess whether it aligns with the overall goals of bringing about systemic change. It requires introspection and self-reflection to gain a better understanding of the system and its impact. Through this perspective, the evaluators can examine the internal perspective and identify the changes required and develop strategies to overcome these constraints that hinder the overall progress. The outwards-in process involves looking outwardly at the external factors that impact the working of the program. This process focuses on understanding the needs and wants of stakeholders outside of the program and how their desired outcomes interact with the internal workings of the program. By examining it from this perspective, evaluators can identify opportunities for leveraging external resources, building partnerships, and influencing policy or institutional change that can facilitate systemic change.